We stand at a fascinating crossroads in human history. For decades, our digital world was limited to flat screens, tapping, clicking, and swiping. But now, that boundary is dissolving. The age of immersive technology is here. The digital is no longer just something we look at, it's becoming something we step into and experience with our senses. Imagine digital arrows guiding you down the street, or a surgeon practicing on a virtual patient before a real operation. These aren't science fiction. They're happening now, powered by technologies that create a true sense of presence. This shift is as significant as moving from command lines to graphical interfaces. Spatial computing uses your environment as a canvas for digital content, making interactions more natural and powerful. Hardware is more accessible, software is smarter, and applications are everywhere, from business to art. What was once niche is now mainstream, with practical uses and rapid innovation. We're moving beyond hype into real-world impact. The journey into this blended reality is just beginning. It promises to reshape our world in ways we're only starting to imagine. To navigate this new landscape, let's break down the basics. Augmented reality, virtual reality, and extended reality. Augmented reality, or AR, overlays digital information onto your real world. Think Pokemon Go or trying virtual furniture in your living room. AR enhances your environment, making it more interactive and informative. Virtual reality, or VR, replaces your surroundings entirely. Put on a headset and you're transported to a digital world. Mars, the ocean, or a fantasy realm. VR's goal is total immersion, making you feel truly present elsewhere. Devices like Meta Quest 3 and Apple Vision Pro make this possible. Extended reality, or XR, is the umbrella term for all these technologies. XR includes mixed reality, where digital objects interact with the real world, like a virtual ball bouncing off your coffee table. XR blurs the line between augmenting and replacing reality. These technologies are converging, creating new ways to experience and interact with the world. Understanding AR, VR, and XR is key to grasping the future of digital interaction. The boundaries between real and virtual are fading fast. Immersive tech is already transforming industries. In healthcare, VR helps train surgeons and AR guides real operations, improving outcomes. Education is more engaging. Students can walk through ancient Rome or explore molecules up close. In manufacturing, Arkansas glasses overlay repair instructions, while architects use VR for virtual building tours. Retailers let customers try on clothes or furniture virtually, reducing returns and boosting satisfaction. Entertainment leads the way. VR gaming, virtual concerts, and museum tours are now global experiences. These tools break down barriers, making learning, work, and play more interactive and accessible. The impact is real, and it's only growing. Why is immersive tech booming in 2025? Hardware is lighter, cheaper, and wireless. Think Meta Quest 3, and smart glasses AI and 5G make experiences smarter and faster, enabling real-time translation and seamless AR. Remote work demands better collaboration. XR meeting rooms let teams interact as avatars and share 3D models. Developers have powerful tools unleashing a wave of creative content. As more high-quality experiences emerge, more people join in a virtuous cycle. Businesses, educators, and creators are all driving adoption. The result: immersive tech is moving from the fringe to the mainstream. 2025 is the tipping point. The future of XR is full of promise and challenges. Imagine personalized education, remote surgery, and smarter cities, all powered by immersive tech. But privacy concerns loom. Devices constantly scan our world and collect data. There's a risk of digital addiction and social isolation if virtual worlds become more compelling than real life. We must balance innovation with ethics, protecting data and mental health. As virtual and real worlds merge, we'll face tough questions about identity, law, and reality itself. The choices we make now will shape a future that's both advanced and human-centered. We're leaving the era of flat screens behind. AR, VR, and XR are redefining how we interact with technology, making it spatial, intuitive, and immersive. What began as a niche is now mainstream, transforming industries and daily life. The convergence of AI, 5G, and new devices is accelerating this shift. But with great promise comes responsibility. We must address privacy addiction and the meaning of reality with open dialogue and thoughtful design. XR is the next step in human communication, moving from symbols to shared experiences. We're not just looking at the digital world, we're living in it. The real question: what kind of world do we want to build with these tools? The next chapter is ours to write.